drivers. Wait a minute. All right, we're good again. Drivers behind the line. Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
And we're off and running in match number 36 of what will be 64 total qualifying matches this weekend. Once again, we will be going through match number 44 today and completing the final 20 matches tomorrow morning. The first 15 seconds was autonomously programmed by the human players. As the Red Alliance comes out of autonomous, they were leading 13-9. Now, for 2 minutes and 15 seconds, the human players have control. They can score points by placing those white cylindrical objects onto that purple tower in the middle of the field. They call that the reef. The cylindrical objects are called coral as they try to build that coral reef back up so that new aquatic life will come and populate the area. All right, a lot of action taking place out on the field. If they can score on the level 2 branch, which is the bottom purple arms that you see coming from the towers, they will gain 3 points. If they can score in the middle branch, that's worth 4. And if they can reach all the way to the top, they can gain 5 points for that. Down at the bottom of that little tree-looking mechanism, that coral mechanism, or as a little trough that they can place some of those coral elements into to gain 2 points apiece. As the bots move up and down the field, they can also pick up and score those round, blue-green looking cylindrical objects. That's called the algae. They can process that algae for 6 points, or they can score in the net for 4 points, or a combination of both. 94-96, picking up coral from the coral station on the side, coming down the chute from the human player on the side, rapidly moving back and forth, gaining points as it's 63-32, with 66-32, with 35 seconds left to go in the match. Right now, there's still a lot of scoring opportunity. As you see, the cage is swinging underneath the barge. The ones that are hanging real low, that's deep, deep into the ocean, almost to the ocean floor. If a robot can grab a hold of that in the last 20 seconds and lift themselves off of the ocean floor, they can gain themselves 12 points. Over here on the Red Alliance, you see the one that's closer to the barge. That's known as the shallow cage. If they can lift themselves off using the shallow cage, they can gain 6 points as we end match number 36 of what will be a total of 64 total qualifying matches here in Gainesville, Georgia. All right, in match number 36, we're going to see what color fish they release onto the reef area. The doors open and the Red Alliance is victorious. The red fish swimming around with a score of 79-52 in match number 36.